Keep your roof strong and secure. We provide expert roofing services in Leixlip for homes, businesses, and rental properties. Our team is known for fast emergency roof repairs in Leixlip, handling leaks, damage, and storm-related issues quickly. Every project is completed with precision, using high-quality materials and expert care. We're here when you need fast emergency roof repairs in Leixlip done right the first time. Call now or visit roofrepairkildare.ie to book your free inspection.